Well, hey fellas and fellas, welcome to OAM Garage number 2. So thank you for coming and thank you for looking in. If you haven't joined, I've got 2 subscribers right now. Let's see how many we can get. I don't know. Hey, look, I already changed it once. I said I wasn't going to do anything with the 52 truck. Well, today I am. All right, today I am. And this channel is going to be mostly of things that I said on my main channel that you guys don't need to watch that. Well, that's what you're going to be watching right now even. Okay, because I'm going to work on that back brake again, and I'm going to get them both the same. Remember I said I was going to do that? Okay, well, I'm going to do that. So, hey, let's do it. All right, so what I'm going to attempt to do here is to change that emergency brake around, and I'll try to let you know what I'm doing in the process, but I want to take this off without having to disassemble the whole thing. So I'm just going to play this by ear and drink some coffee. That's it, so you know it's me. Alright, and we're just going to pull this out a little bit so that I can get back behind here and take those 2 off. Let us see. Yes. Alright, so I'm just taking the nuts off from the back, so nothing to get excited. Okay, now this one. Okay, I'll show you the whole reason why I'm having to do this in a second, but first I want to get it. Oh good, when it fell it changed. I think we all change when we fail, don't we? So now I got screws on the side. Oh. Come on. Okay, well, we're just going to do something I didn't want to do, but let's see if I can do this without getting my knee into it. So, I honestly don't know if I'm going to put this on my new channel or on the old channel. One of them. I said I wasn't going to put any of my 52 stuff on the new channel, so it probably will be on my main channel if I can get this changed out real quick. I'll be able to go to something else, but for right now, this needs to be done. I'll show you why in a minute. Okay. Come on. Alright, let me show you something. Alright, you see this set nut? What is it for? Huh? I know, you're supposed to take tension off of this, supposedly. But this thing does nothing. So I'm assuming that it can be, the tension can be put on the other side. I called these people, I didn't call them, I texted them to see if they had any instructions for a 52 pickup truck, since they said that this would work on a 52 pickup truck, and they have no instructions which I thought was kind of silly, seeing how. So I asked him, I said, okay, so you're telling me that you're selling a product that comes with no instructions and you have no idea how to do it. Yeah, that's pretty much what they said. So that's where I am with this. And so we're just kind of making it up, and I can assure you that everybody else is making it up as they go too. So I want to get this set screw off. I want to get this down here going into that hole. If the set screw was on the other side, that'd be great, but it's not. So I'm just going to take it off altogether. And then I'm going to slip this back in there where it was, and then I'm going to get my vice grips and tighten this up so it will stay tight, just like the other side. All right, so that's the idea. So here we go. I got it. I took this off back here, took all this out. See, it's up against that now like I want it, like the other side. And if you look down in there, you will see it right, let's see if I can get my finger down in there, right there. It's got a spring with that piece of lead on the end of it. And the cable is in that little notch, and that spring goes from one side to the other, right here. And that's what holds that thing together. I know it doesn't, it don't sound right, but that's the way it was before. So I've got it in there. Now also, I've got it so that it will stay by putting this on the end of it, keeping it tight, keeping some pressure on it. And I'm so glad that the camera is focusing. Yes, look at that. It looks great, doesn't it? Yeah, anyway, you get the point. Alright, so I decided I want to clean these up too. So sue me. Alright, All right, there's one thing for you to remember. Right there, there's a little key that has to go in that hole right there for it to line up. So you can't just stick it on there. You have to line it up with that key. All right, so that's what we're going to do right now. All right, there's the key, there's the hole. There we go. Okay, there's that. All right, there's the hole right there. And there's the key. Let's put it there. All right, where's the key there? All right, so we go right there. There we go. All right, we're in good shape now, bub. Yoo-hoo. All right, fellers and fellettes, as I told you before, this channel is probably going to be about things that I didn't get finished on the other one. Like you remember, I said, well, I'll go back and finish those brakes and get it like the other one. Well, I don't want to put that. I don't have to put that on my main channel. I'll just put it on this one. And also, I said, well, these are going to be shorter. So there it is. Y'all be sweet. See you later.